calling Zerorez, the right way to clean. Our goal is to earn your trust, and we look forward to doing that on this call. If you know your party's 4-digit extension, please enter that now. If not, please hold for a brief moment, and one of our customer satisfaction members will be of service for you.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Zerorez. My name is Tracy. Are you calling for air ducts, hardwoods, or carpet cleaning?
Carpet.
Okay, sir. And have you used our services in the past?
I have not.
Okay. May I have your zip code, please?
30024.
Okay. And how did you learn about our services?
I've heard your commercials on the radio.
Okay. And how many rooms can we clean for you?
I've got 8 rooms, a set of stairs, and a hallway.
8 rooms, steps, hallway. Okay. Just give me 1 second to get your estimate.
I guess if it's an estimate, that means there's variable prices if there's an estimate.
The reason why we say estimate, because if you have pet accidents, it's an additional cost of $40 to $90 per room, and that's something to be determined on the day of service, because it's a range. If you have any pet accidents, or if any of your rooms go over 250 square feet, there's an additional cost of $20 for oversized room fee, or if it's well over 250 square feet, it could be an additional room, and that's $56. So that's why we say estimate, because the technician finalizes it once he does the assessment.
Okay.
But usually it's pretty true to what we say, unless you add something or those two things come into play.
Gotcha.
Okay? But what I have is a 5-room special that's $199. The additional 3 rooms would be $56 a piece. The staircase is $64 and the hallway is $36. There are no taxes, but we have a $15 fuel fee usually due to our mounted equipment. But being a first-time user and you have so much, I'll waive that fee for you. So you're looking at $467.
$467. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. I got a couple more places to call. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, sir. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.